Hey everyone! Welcome to cryptoonchain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Title: The Seed Airdrop Listing. What you need to know before April 1st. Hey, Seed community! The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Mark your calendars because on April 1st, 2025, the Seed Airdrop will officially be listed for trading. For those of you who've been here since the beginning, this is a massive milestone, one that marks a huge leap into the public spotlight. So, what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. What's the Seed Airdrop listing all about? On April 1st, Seed tokens will hit the exchanges, meaning you'll be able to buy, sell, and trade them freely. If you've been holding onto your tokens, it's time to see their market value come to life. But a listing is about more than just dollars and cents. It's a moment when the Seed project steps into the spotlight, and more eyes start paying attention. This could be a game changer, with new buyers, new holders, and fresh interest in the project. Why the April 1st date is a big deal. April 1st isn't just April Fool's Day, it's the first day of the new financial quarter, and that's a prime time for investors to make big moves. By listing Seed on this day, the token is front and center for people who are ready to take action and set the tone for the quarter ahead. It also gives you a little time to get your plans in order. Whether you're ready to trade, hold, or expand your position, the next few days will be crucial for planning your next steps. How the Seed Airdrop is designed to grow. One of the key factors in Seed's growth is its token distribution strategy. A generous 62% of tokens go back to the community through gameplay rewards and active involvement. Another 15% is reserved for key backers, ensuring strong partnerships and continued support. The remaining portion fuels the team's work and keeps liquidity flowing on exchanges. With the listing just around the corner, this strategy ensures that Seed has the flexibility to expand without rushing things. Interest is already heating up, and this structure gives the project plenty of room to grow. Seed price prediction: what to expect. So, where's the price headed? Price predictions for Seed suggest a range between $0.024 and $0.044. This range reflects the strong community support and the steady, methodical growth the project has experienced. But keep in mind, while the prediction looks promising, markets can be volatile. Watch the trends, but don't let the hype make you act on impulse. What should holders do right now? If you've been holding Seed tokens from earlier airdrops or purchases, now is the time to get your ducks in a row. Here's what you should do right now. Secure your tokens. Double-check that your tokens are in a safe, accessible wallet. Watch for platform updates. Stay up to date with announcements on where the token will be listed. Plan your move. Decide whether you're holding long-term, looking to sell some, or simply monitoring the market. Being prepared is key. With the listing coming up, you may see price fluctuations as the market reacts. But remember, don't get caught up in the moment. Stick to your plan and keep your long-term strategy in focus. A shout out to the Seed community. This moment didn't happen by accident. It's the result of months of planning, collaboration, and trust within the community. Whether you've been here from day one or you joined recently, you've played an important part. As the project gains visibility, expect more conversations and questions to arise. This is your chance to share why you believed in Seed from the start. Speak up, be authentic, and help build the strength of this growing community. What's next after the listing? Remember, the listing is just the beginning. Once Seed is live on exchanges, there's likely to be even more exciting updates. You might see new features, staking options, or maybe even some new partnerships. The project's roadmap is still unfolding, and there's plenty to look forward to. So stay plugged in. Follow the official channels, keep up with any updates, and remember, markets can move fast. But your long-term vision should always guide your decisions.